Trading the forex market can be a bit overwhelming, especially for beginner traders who are just trying to know their left from their right. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and almost perfect strategy that every beginner trader can use to rake some profits in the forex market. Now, if you know this interests you and you're a first timer in this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. But if you are already a member of this family, well done. Let's move ahead. Now, in today's strategy, we're going to be making use of an indicator known as the Williams percentage range. So I'm going to add that to the chart, the Williams percentage range. So you're going to look at it. It's actually, so as you can see, it's under the oscillator. So we're going to be making use of period 14, style 2 pixel, levels minus, please take note of the levels, minus 80, minus 20, 0, minus 100, and minus 50. Please take note of these levels. We're going to be making use of these levels. Now we'll add that to the chart. This is the Williams percentage range. Okay, this is the Williams percentage range. Now, the Williams percentage range is a momentum technical indicator that helps traders identify overbought and oversold conditions in the markets. The key characteristics of this particular indicator is that the percentage range values ranges from 0 to minus 100. Now, from 0 to minus 20 indicates the overbought conditions, while from minus 80 to minus 100 indicates the oversold condition. It's actually similar to the stochastic oscillator, but the only difference is that this is plotted upside down. Now, let's go straight to how this particular strategy works, guys. Now, I want to pick a buy setup. Meanwhile, I'm on my USDJPY chart. I'm going to go straight to my H4 time frame, and then I'll pick my marker. I want to look out for a buy signal. This is a very simple strategy, guys, but like I always say, if you follow my strategies, you're very certain to make some money for yourself from the forex market. So I'm going to go to my H4 time frame and place my marker here. As price is above the minus 50 level, then I'll move straight to the H1 time frame. For the H1 time frame, I need the price to be below the minus 50 level and preferably close to the minus 80 level. Okay, then after that, I go straight to my M15 time frame for my entry. What do I need to enter the market? Now, notice something. If you move straight like this, you're going to be taken out. You would have been taken out if you had rushed in. What you need to do to go into the market is to wait for price. Okay, you need to wait for price to get to the minus 20 level on the M15 time frame. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? This indicator helped us to filter the stop hunt and every other thing that could have made us to exit this trade with a loss. Okay, this indicator actually helped us to go against all of that, guys. So you wait for the entry time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, to get to minus 20 level, and then you storm into the trade. Now, where are you supposed to take your profit? See how far the trade went, guys. You're going to have to wait for price on the H1 time frame to exit. You need to wait for price to go past the minus 20 level. Okay, on the H1 time frame. As soon as price goes beyond the minus 20 level, you can start considering exiting the market, because any moment from now, the market will start reversing, guys. A very simple yet effective strategy. Now, let's go straight to the look for a sell signal. Now, for the sell signal, this is like the reverse. The first thing I need to do is to ensure that price, the market is below the minus 50 level. Price, the market needs to be below the minus 50 level. Okay, then after that, so look at this, the price has dropped below the minus 50 level. After that, I'm going to go straight to my H1 time frame and wait for price to go to the minus 20 level. Okay, now as soon as price gets to the minus 20 level on the H1 time frame, I'm going to go straight to the minus and go straight to my M15 time frame for my entry. And remember what we say, that you need to wait for the market to get to the minus 80 level before you storm into the market. Now, guys, watch how far the market dropped. Watch how far the market dropped, guys. See how far the market dropped and see how much you would have made for yourself. Where are you supposed to exit the market? On the H1 time frame. As soon as the H1 time frame moves past minus 80, you should start considering exiting the market unless you're a more advanced trader that you can know whether or not to hold your trade. But this is the suitable place for you to exit this particular trade. Guys, just imagine how much you're going to make if you do this on 4 or 5 pairs on a weekly basis. I'm going to show you that this works in every pair, not just some pairs. Now let's look at another pair, trading pair. Let's look at Euro USD. Okay, so I'm going to go to my H4 time frame, and this is my marker. So I want to look out for a buy setup. Now, remember what I said, for a buy setup, I'm going to need to have my H4 time frame. I'm going to wait for the Williams percentage range to be above minus 50. I'll go straight to my H1 time frame. The H1 time frame needs to be below minus 50, and like I said, getting to the level of minus 80 is actually preferable. Now, for my entry time frame, I'm going to have to wait for the market to get to the minus 20 level. See, guys, see how far the market went. See how far the market went. Guys, you guys are not paying me for showing you these strategies for free, but you see how generous I am sharing these tips with you guys for free. So guys, I want you to backtest this. Go back to your chart, backtest this, and practice properly on your demo account before you hit your real accounts, guys, before you fund your accounts to trade. And if this video, you know you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and other traders that might need this video, guys. And also do not forget to subscribe if you're a first time on this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.